A few minutes later.
Alright guys. Auburn baby.
Oh, I've heard about these Mad Dogs.
Wait, 9.9 million.
This is 1 million scope. Oh, I heard of this. The Toe of Satan, right? Is that what it is? Interesting.
We got hot sauce awards. What? What is this?
I'm about to get something from here. He's like,
There's a picture of Chuck Norris. This is hot.
very representative.
Lucifer's Last Blast, a Wicked Reaper sauce.
I think that might happen to me.
For real. After what we eat.
Okay. Real quick. So we had to sign a waiver to get this sauce, huh? Yeah. So we had to sign a waiver to get. Is this the Mad Dog? Yeah. So we had to sign a waiver to get this Mad Dog because it had what? This pepper that
Extract.
has extract. So we had to sign a waiver. Kind of scared now.
Will I die?
Yeah, I don't think I've ever signed a waiver to get hot sauce. Interesting. All right, guys. So we're gonna be eating this Samyang ramen. It's supposed to be one of the hottest ramens in the world, I guess. Also, we're gonna be putting this Mad Dog 357 sauce, 350,000 Scoville. That's only just a ghost pepper, but this is a lot. Like, let me just read the back. All right, it's kind of scary. So there's an agreement, and also when we were at the store, we had to sign a waiver to get this. So anyways, it says, I agree as indicated by my opening of this bottle as follows in connection with my purchase of this product. 1, this product is extremely hot. You should use it with extreme care. 2, this product is used to be used at my own risk, and I fully understand the potential danger if used or handled improperly. I am not, dude, I can't even inebriated or otherwise not of a sound mind, and I am fully able to make a sound decision about the purchase of this product. Take a lot of effort to make this video, so hopefully you guys do enjoy it. I'll be back when it's ready. Some fall? Okay.
Oh my god. It's so dark.
It's Black Death.
For real. Oh, I can smell it.
Whoa.
Scary sight. Alright, should we have like a disclaimer on this video? Like, don't try this at home? Because it's really spicy.
You can definitely eat this at home.
No, you can't.
I mean, I wouldn't recommend it unless you can tolerate the heat. But by itself, it's pretty tasty. But we're gonna make it more tasty.
So I already explained what it was. The Mad Dog 357. I mean, it's not the spiciest sauce in the world,
But it's a good amount where we should be all right.
we should be all right. I don't know. Okay, so just roll it. This first try.
No, you roll, and then I had to do double drops of what your number is. So roll the dice. 3.
3. Okay, so you do 6.
I do double that, so I do 6 drops.
Okay. You want to put it in?
You do it first. You put your...
What?
There's no drip thing. It's alright. I think it might be hard to drip.
Oh my god.
2, 3, 4, 5.
That's 6. Okay.
These are really big drips. These aren't like small ones. Hey, you want me to do it for you?
No.
I'll pour it.
No.
I mean, I won't pour it. I'll do it.
I'll do it. I got it.
Oh, shoot. That's what I'm saying. You need to be careful.
That's one right there. That's one. Drip.
Man, those are small drips compared to the ones I did.
I don't care, dude. Oh no! That was a big one. I did 3 drips.
Alright.
Put the cap on, please.
Are you praying?
Alright, let me mix it
Do
up.
I need to pray?
I'm scared.
I didn't get any water.
Oh my god.
Actually, I'll be alright.
You think you'll be fine?
I might need some water.
So stupid. Okay guys, I got milk. I don't know if you can see it in the frame, but I got milk because I know this is gonna be bad for me.
I didn't get anything. I probably should have.
All right, just let me know when you're ready for the first bite.
Put these napkins on the side.
So let me know, okay?
Go ahead. 3, 2, 1. Oh god.
Bro. Woo. Dude.
That's hot.
Oh my god.
Remember, you have to finish your bowl.
Man. Oh my god, it's burning, bro.
Oh god, I got the hiccups.
Oh my god, it's burning, bro. Oh my god.
Oh god.
I can't do it. I can't do it.
I need some napkins. The hiccups came through. But will I finish?
My mouth's on fire. How do you do this?
Your face is all red.
Oh. Ooh. Sorry, I had it. Never mind. Dude. Oh my god. Like my mouth is burning.
I feel like I'm just numb to it now. Even though it's still pretty spicy.
Oh shit. Oh my god. Yeah, cookie?
Are you okay? You want to put some more? Where are you going? I think he went to get more milk. I feel like I need more milk.
Oh god.
You know I can't. I gotta eat it. No milk.
I only took one bite. Oh my god.
I think I need milk.
Dude, I only took one bite and it's like burning my mouth. Oh my god. I can't. I'm done. I can't. It burns way too much.
Ooh, all done.
Like my lips are burning.
Can I have some milk?
You're crying.
Well, yeah, it's pretty hot. Hey, it's a lot of milk.
Oh god.
I'm alright.
You're crying too.
That's just a natural response.
Are your lips burning?
Yeah.
I call quits. I need a donut.
Is that cream filled? Looks like it.
Well, I took a bite and I died. My brother, on the other hand, literally finished it.
Still hot though.
I don't know how people do this, man. Whew. You know what? I want you guys to try this. Samyang, spicy noodles or something like that. Mad Dog, 357. Oh my god. I can't, bro. It's turned into me eating this donuts and... Anyways, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. It's a video I really never ever made. I don't make videos of me eating or any videos like this. If you want more like this, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe and comment what you want to see next. Please nothing spicy. I can't do spicy, man. Holy. Oh god. I took one bite. Anyways, see y'all next week for another video. Yeah. Peace. Whew. Oh, give me some milk.
All right, guys, my little brother just ran to a restroom right now.